under a lot of pressure today to manufacture quickly and accurately. But at the same time, you're facing skilled labor shortages, supply chain uncertainty, downtime challenges, increased costs, and so much more. You know that digitizing and automating will help you achieve a more connected factory, delivering greater efficiency, visibility, and uptime. But how do you begin your innovation journey? And how do you do it while lowering risks and disruptions? Only with the right vendor. One who can guide you towards the right incremental, scalable steps to tackle your current business challenges. And finally prove ROI to move from pilot to company-wide implementation. A strategic advisor who can help you improve quality and advance sustainability goals, mitigate errors, and accelerate corrective actions, and boost throughput with greater visibility into the status of materials, components, processes, and tools. An experienced technology provider like Zebra, whether your biggest goal is increasing actionable visibility, augmenting and empowering a productive workforce, or optimizing quality and traceability, Zebra has what you need to advance in your journey and transform everywhere from the plant floor to the warehouse and across the supply chain. Because the connected factory is where innovation and productivity finally meet. And Zebra is ready to help you get there.